Celebrating Ate Elkini's birthday for the second time was truly fun and memorable. This time, she celebrated together with her classmates and friends over a nice dinner at the Inbox. Everyone was excited, happy, and ready to enjoy the night together. And while we were there, Jolie even had the chance to jam with a singer. And grabe ka na sa vibe sa place. We were all enjoying the music, the food, and the good company. It was one of those moments na simple lang pero very special. After dinner, we proceeded to their videoke area where we ate more Japanese food. And syempre, di legit mawagtang ang kantahan kay mga singerists man ni sila. Meanwhile, ako sad, nag-enjoy og TikTok while they were busy singing their hearts out. Grabe pod, kalingaw kay ilang gold jud kay makakuha og 100 scores sa videoke. And they were cheering each other on every song. There was also dancing, laughter, and lots of happy moments while everyone was enjoying the night. Pagkahuman na mo og kaon og kantahan, busog kayo mitanan. But since we still had energy, we went straight to Boulevard to get some fresh air. Dito mi nagpahangin anay while enjoying simple but meaningful conversations. It was such a nice time just sitting there, talking, laughing, and spending quality time together. Sometimes, those quiet bonding moments are the ones we remember the most. These kids, oh, they truly deserve this treat. Why? Because they just came from their cheer dance and pep rally competition. And mind you, adlaw jud ilang practice before that. Maog yun nga I made sure nga mabusog jud sila og ma-enjoy jud nila ang night. Also, inserting the other classmates, friends, and Mom Jen who weren't able to attend due to personal reasons. We missed you all, guys, and hope that you can join us next time.